Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for air sign Libra. This is weekly reading and this reading is from July 18th to July 24th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past Libra. A lot of cards, but I am not taking. Okay, let's see your recent past. Death, Moon, Eight of Swords. Whoa. Your person could be Scorpio, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, a Pisces, the Moon. I think one person in this connection undergo some transformation in past. There are some issues between both of you. You hide something from your person or your person maybe hides something from you. They are stuck something. One person is stuck in this connection past and one person is undergoing some transformation. So let's see what is going on in your connection right now, Libra. Energy, too much energy. Two of Pentacles, yeah. Five of Pentacles. Lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Six of Cups. You both have strong soulmate connection, past life connection, definitely. But one person is juggling between two things. Between you and their career, whatever they are juggling. One person is juggling. For some, there is separation between both of you. One person leaving the other person in cold because some issues in past. What already happened between both of you. For some, there is separation. For some, waiting for reconciliation with their person because Six of Cups is reconciliation card, but there is separation. Those who are in separation, they are waiting for reconciliation. So let's see what's your person near future actions towards you, Libra. Your person near future actions towards you. Is there any chance for reconciliation? Let's see. Postponement, Four of Swords. Lot of energy. Receptivity, Queen of Cups, Lord of Reading card, receptivity card, Queen of Cups. Intensity, Knight of Wands. I think your person right now thinking about you a lot, about this connection. Postponement, Four of Swords. They are in resting stage in near future, but they have emotions for you, they have feelings for you because Queen of Cups. Water energy, they have emotions for you 100%, and intensity, Knight of Wands. They want to come towards you, but they will take time because right now in near future, first they have to think about you and this connection a lot. Then they will feeling you both and they have emotions for you. They feel they are feeling emotions for you. Then they will come towards you. So let's pull some cards from universe, Libra. Rebirth, yes. Ten of Swords. Some cycles ending and new beginnings. Definitely your person want the source, yes, Ace of Wands, new beginning with you. They want new beginning with you. Definitely there is reconciliation, most of you. Politics. Lot of readings also got this card. Seven of Swords, some sneaky energy. Guilt, yes. Due to politics, what your person did to you past, they are feeling very guilt. Eight of Swords, 2 times Eight of Swords. They are stuck and they are feeling guilt for what they did to you past. I think they are leaving you in cold, Five of Pentacles, but they want to reboot to this connection and they want a new beginning with you. They will come towards you, but it will take time because they are thinking about you. After thinking, they will come towards you very fast, but it will take time. to get realize your worth. So definitely there is a new beginning, reconciliation and rebirth. So this is the reading for you, Libra. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.